Only 8 miles as the crow flies from Lucerne, the 5,900-foot Rigi mountain with excellent views was an easy choice to be Europe's first mountain rack railway. A 150 feet below the summit, we join a motor coach of the 1937 electrification for the 4,300-foot descent to the lakeside at Vitznau. To our left is the track of the RIGI Kulm. It meets the Gotthard main line at Goldau, distant Mount Pilatus. From the opening in 1871, the standard gauge Rigi Kulm remained steam-operated for 66 years. Here at Kaltbad, the traverser at the start of double track was soon to be replaced by conventional points. Double-tracked only 3 years after opening, was this done to mitigate the effects of late running by the connecting ships? This line is equipped throughout with Riggenbach rack. We're now on the steepest part, 1 in 4, or 25%. The 1 mile 300 yards of double track ends at another traverser, soon to be converted to a set of points. The original Schnurtobel viaduct is being replaced by a new one in pre-stressed concrete. It's 87 yards long. The world's only older rack railway climbs Mount Washington in New England. Quite unmodernized, it still retains an atmosphere of Victorian days. The line ends with a turntable accessing the rolling stock depot. On display, a replica of an original vertical boiler steam loco. Its authentic counterpart may be seen in the National Transport Museum in Lucerne.